Hello and welcome. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to sign up for an account step by step. No special skills needed, just follow along and you'll be set up in minutes. Start by opening your browser and going to the website. On the homepage, click the Sign Up button, usually at the top right. Enter your email address carefully. This is where they'll send a verification code. Click Continue. Then check your inbox for a message. If it's not there, look in your spam folder. Open the email and copy the 6-digit code. Return to the site and enter the code to verify your email. Once verified, choose a display name. This can be your real name, nickname, or anything appropriate. Next, upload a profile picture or select one from the library. You can skip this for now, but having an image helps complete your profile. Now choose a group or community to join. This connects you with creators, tools, or services you're interested in. Pick one that fits your needs and click Join or Continue. That's it. Your account is now created and you'll land on your dashboard. From here, you can manage memberships, explore content, and adjust settings. Thanks for watching, and enjoy exploring the platform.